Laver UK US is an edible, littoral alga. In Wales, lava is used for making laver bread, a traditional Welsh dish. Lava as food is also commonly found around the west coast of Britain and east coast of Ireland along the Irish Sea, where it is known as slake. It is smooth in texture and forms delicate, sheet-like thalli, often clinging to rocks. The principal variety is purple lava. Purple lava is classified as a red alga, tends to be a brownish color, but boils down to a dark green pulp when prepared. It is unusual amongst seaweeds because the fronds are only 1 cell thick. Lava has a high content of dietary minerals, particularly iodine and iron. The high iodine content gives the seaweed a distinctive flavor in common with olives and oysters. Porphyra is also consumed in East Asia, where it is known as zekai in China, nori in Japan, and jim in Korea. Ulva lactuca, a green alga, also known as sea lettuce, is occasionally eaten as green lava, which is regarded as inferior to the purple lava. Cultivation. Laver cultivation as food is thought to be very ancient, though the first mention was in Camden's Britannia in the early 17th century. It is plucked from the rocks and given a preliminary rinse in clear water. The collected lava is repeatedly washed to remove sand and boiled for hours until it becomes a stiff, green mush. In this state, the lava can be preserved for about a week. Typically during the 18th century, the mush was packed into a crock and sold as potted lava. Cultivation of lava is typically associated with Wales, and it is still gathered off the Pembrokeshire and Carmarthenshire coasts, although similar farming methods are used at the west coast of Scotland. Laver can be eaten cold as a salad with lamb or mutton. A simple preparation is to heat the lava and to add butter and the juice of a lemon or Seville orange. Laver can be heated and served with boiled bacon. It is used to make the Welsh dish known as Laver Bread. Laver bread is a traditional Welsh delicacy made from lava. To make laver bread, the seaweed is boiled for several hours, then minced or pureed. The gelatinous paste that results can then be sold as it is, or rolled in oatmeal. It is generally coated with oatmeal prior to frying. Laver bread is traditionally eaten fried with bacon and cockles as part of a Welsh breakfast. It can also be used to make a sauce to accompany lamb, crab, monkfish, etc., and to make lava soup. Richard Burton has been quoted as describing laver bread as Welshman's caviar. Laver is often associated with penclawd and its cockles, being used traditionally in the Welsh diet and is still eaten widely across Wales in the form of laver bread. In addition to Wales, laver bread is eaten across the Bristol Channel in North Devon, especially around the Exmouth coast around Lynmouth, Combe Martin and Ilfracombe. In North Devon it is generally not cooked with oatmeal and it is simply referred to as lava. Laver is highly nutritious because of its high proportions of protein, iron, and especially iodine. It also contains high levels of vitamins B2, A, D and C. Dried purple lava contains high amounts of vitamin B12. See also, anery, Dilisca another edible seaweed, jim a similar style food in Korean cuisine, kombu, nori a similar tasting food in Japanese cuisine. References. Bibliography, Lamb, Leeks and Laver Bread, Gilly Davis, Grafton, ISBN 0-586-20139-4. External links, Laver at YouTube, Laver at Wikimedia Commons, Laver at Wikispecies, Laver at Encyclopedia of Life, Laver at Biolib, Laver at Global Biodiversity Information Facility, Laver at Animal Diversity Web.